Hey, what's going on, everyone? It might be a little hard to hear me. I'm outside and have the sun on my face, but I really wanted to make a really quick video because I think I found something in the trading game and in the cryptocurrency space that I think is worth mentioning. Trying to get the news out there because I think it really is a hidden gem, and I'll explain why. But I just want to break down the chart. So, you're not going to see with my other trading interface. I like it because it shows the buys and the sells with the little arrows, so you can see that my buys and my sells, so you can kind of understand like how I'm placing my trades. This chart doesn't have it because this interface isn't integrated with my trading interface. This exchange isn't. So I can't manage the exchange through Alt Trading, which is my interface. And if you want to figure out how I trade, you can buy my the trading strategy interface I use in the description below. I put a link down there for you all. But I'm gonna get into the strategy, and I'm gonna get into like how I'm banking free SRK tokens and why I think this project is pretty cool. So if you go back, I was played before we, if you can see the chart right here, before we did this big 170% move up. I was trading this chart because I saw it come off that big pump, and it kind of went down, and it started ranging, and it was ranging like 40% there, and it was ranging up like 13%, and then it kept going back and forth, 30%, 13%, and so I started going in. I started placing buys down here and layering down, and I started buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. My strategy, just playing riding the range. It's one of my strategies. I'm going to make a course on it on Udemy, and kind of further explain like how do you ride the range, what are you talking about. But basically, you buy low and you sell high. You find coins that are super stable, that range on a super stable like environment, like this coin. And I was getting to where I could buy a lot of these coins at once, sell, and then when I sell, I keep the profits. So if I buy like a million coins down here, and then I just sell out of what Ethereum I put into it, if that makes sense. So there will be the remainder of profit, like the remainder of 20% that I had of profit. I don't cash that out in Ethereum. I keep that in SRK tokens, and I just keep doing that over and over. So every move is like 20%. So 20% of free SRK, another 13%, another 30%. So I have such a massive amount of these SRK tokens, just I was just trading it for a while, that I started hanging up buys higher. Like I started selling, coins here and coins there, and I just had it layered up. And if it ever spiked up, which it did, it went from 54 all the way up to 148, which is a really, really big move. That's 174%. 174% in the span of 2 days. You can see that right there. 2 days. And my buddy brags about how he got 30% in Apple in 6 months. I got 174% in 2 days. But that's the kind of potential we're looking in crypto, that we have in crypto. And then it spiked all the way down 53%. So I was able to sell out, reload, and then I just had my buys placed immediately. And when it dropped back down, I was just back in the game, and then just up another 74%. Down 40%, then we're up 70%. And then we started ranging out again, so I started riding this range again. And then bam, we crashed all the way down to 63. So I had a lot of buys down there, and then we went back up, and now we're ranging out here. So I'm riding the range here, and I have a pretty big bag of SRK that if this thing ever does go back up to 366, I will be able to sell a lot of my tokens at 366. So anyway, I think this project is going to be really big in the future. It's based in the Philippines, and they actually do monthly roadmaps. So they're updating people on what they're doing monthly. So the ecosystem is pretty crazy. And I actually bought one of their NFTs, their non-fungible asset tokens, on OpenSea.io. So if you want to go buy that, I'll put that link in the description. It's a sword. I don't know, to Crypto Slicer. Anyway, I thought it was pretty cool. But I'm just going to put this chart, this trade right here, because this is pretty cool to be able to bank free tokens. And I don't know, this project might go somewhere, it might not, who knows. But, it's what we said, we're not investing with our money, we're trading free tokens here. So, all right, I'm going to sign off. Make sure to smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you like this kind of content. I will be talking to you all later. Until next time, peace.